Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and our tech news today is an interesting change coming up at Mozilla. So Mozilla has a new CEO. The old CEO that was there for a long time has now been changed, and also the focus of Mozilla has been changed. So several of their own products and services are going to be either scaled down or shut down, but they are refocusing their energies, and they're saying that the focus will now be Mozilla Firefox and using AI in the Mozilla Firefox to help it get better. So maybe some of you are saying, well, I don't want to have AI and, snooping. And, well, what Mozilla explains of their own AI, it is totally different than what you get with ChatGPT or Copilot. And the reason is it doesn't actually go online to scoop databases and stuff. What it will do is will be residing within the browser, within the system itself. And the training will happen only on your PC, which means nothing will be sent out. It's going to learn from your own PC and own experience with the files you have and your PC in general. So it's interesting to see what they'll do with that. But obviously, they are kind of refocusing on what is an interesting product that still has quite a few users. There's still millions of users, on Firefox. And maybe trying to compete again. I mean, competition isn't that big in the browser market since Google is dominant, and then there's really nothing that much. So I think Mozilla could work on trying to have Firefox get back on track. One of the other problems that they have right now is in the money racking in to Mozilla. One of the biggest problems with Mozilla is that a lot of its money is coming from the partnerships for search. And one of them, of course, is its direct competition, which is Google. So they're racking in a few $100 million just with search, and it's actually almost the majority of their budget. So they want to try to move away from that also. They want to try to focus on making money in different ways so that they can actually slowly move away. It's difficult to move away from Google. Most companies actually do so. Just look at Apple being paid by Google to have their own, to have Google basically in the devices. So Firefox is the same thing. There's hundreds of millions that Google pays to have it in the search for Firefox. So we'll see what's going to happen next, but it seems that a big change in focus in the Mozilla sphere means that maybe we're going to get into a new direction. And the focus on Firefox, I think, is going to please a lot of Firefox users that in recent years have kind of felt that they were abandoned, where, Mozilla wasn't doing much with the browser except just maintaining it. So do you use Firefox, and are you happy with the Mozilla focus on Firefox itself? And please reply in the description below, in the comments below. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.